Hello there. I hope you're sitting comfortably. 'Twas the month of Christmas, and all through the bungalow, not a creature was stretching, not even a flaming-alow. The stockings were hung by the fireplace with care, with the hopes that Tom Morrison would soon be there. The children weren't sleeping, they were running amok. When Father exclaimed, "It's time for bed," they replied, "We don't give a sugar plum." As we finally settled the kids to sleep, we crept to our room, made not a peep. Mother was in her gown, and I in a sock. Naked from the waist down, you could see my dilemma. For my back pain quite hindered my spine. Bending over took me quite some time. And as I clambered into my soft bed, outside a noise so loud, I dropped my meds. I fell to the floor and stubbed my toe and cried out calmly, "You f***ing piece of shit hole." I crawled to the window, knowing the signs, drew back the curtains and opened the blinds. As I pondered to what that roaring sound means, there I saw him, the luscious hair and jeans. A sports car that was way cooler than any. And yes, you guessed, driving was Jenny. I knew for a fact that I was not wrong. With such incredible biceps, it could only be our Tom. Just then he turned to me and proclaimed my issues. He suddenly called them by name. Now back pain and runner's knee, and tennis elbow to a degree, tendonitis and stiff neck, sciatica and tight pecs, stretch on the porch and even the walls. Go away, go away, go away all. Just like that, he had done his part. He disappeared into thin air, as silent as a mouse. Just then I realized and jumped with glee. As my back pain was gone, I was finally free. I raced downstairs and called my mom in Atlanta. As I put down the phone, I was greeted by Santa. He asked, had this bungalow been recently converted? I said, why yes, the stairs were only newly inserted. As I told him the news, he was quite suspicious, as I would not be needing a new back brace this Christmas. I have to admit, I was feeling lightheaded. I barely broke breath telling him of the simplistic mobility method. He could not believe it was so beneficial and shot off to tommorrison.uk like a missile while I whistled at my thistle. Just then I gasped, what a beautiful day, as the children all arose to play. I joined them for the first time in years, as the happiness that filled me almost brought me to tears. I had forgotten how long had passed. I didn't realize how time goes so fast. I made a vow to make this last, so that every Christmas from now on would be a blast. Have a great Christmas, everyone, and remember, stretch your bits.